Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to invite friends to like a page on Facebook. First open your Facebook app and go to your page. Then tap on here at the top right corner. Then tap on here. Now we have to tap on these three dots. Then here we have to select invite friends. Here tap on continue. Here tap on these three dots again. Under page settings, select invite friends. Tap on your friends here to invite and tap on send invites to send them the page invite invitations. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.